Hello student, good evening to everyone. Dear students, I was on a field trip. Not actually a full field trip. I had visited Kalinga in order to see the beautiful site here. So here I thought of that I should teach you something. So dear student, I am at the middle of the Kalinga hills, and therefore I thought of a plan to show you something here. Student, here you can see in the both sides. Yes student, so this is the teaching point here. You can find the hill, okay, and just foothill you can find a narrow strip of land, okay, and that is called the valley. You must have heard about valleys. So this is the plain valley you can see, and I am also standing here. I am showing you Billu sir here. This is another hills, okay. Billu sir is here. Say hi sir.
Hi.
So this is the hill, okay. In the both sides of the hill you can see, in the opposite side there is a hill, and in the middle of the hill you can discover a kind of plain land, right? Like भंजनगर जैसे है तो वैसे ही एक प्लेन लैंड है, ठीक है. तो ये जो प्लेन लैंड है इसको वैली कहा जाता है, ओके बच्चों. एंड अगेन यू कैन मार्क द रोड हियर. If we slide down of this hillside, we can reach at the plain land of your Bhanjnagar, okay, which are very close to the sea level, right? Very close or very level with the sea level, some around 200 feet or 100 feet, okay. And if we travel this side here, this is just a steep slope. You can find this is steep. If we go ahead this side, you will go to Kalinga, and thereafter a different kind of land will be started there, and that will be a kind of plateau, okay. Thereafter it will start the plateau. We no longer find this kind of hilly stretches of land. You will not find there. It's just a table land will be created there, and that is called the plateaus. And this simply rising structures that you are seeing, that is called hill. And hill and mountain can be seen everywhere. सारे जगह में hill और mountain मिलेगा. You can find there is hill in the plain area. If you go to the plateau area also you can find lot of hills and mountain areas as well, ठीक है. तो hilly area ये होता है जो कि किसी भी रेज स्ट्रक्चर से, किसी भी जगह से एक रेज स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है तो उसको माउंटेन या हिली कहते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हिल एंड माउंटेन? दीज आर ऑल आर हिली. वी आर इन द हिल स्टेशन राइट नाउ, ओके. Wait a minute. Some trucks are moving here, making some noise. Yeah. So the major difference between the mountain and hill is, the hills are basically smaller in the height. Okay, they are lower in the height, and they have a rounded steep. They have a rounded peak, whereas we can find peak are very pointed in the mountainous area. In mountain they are much more higher than the hills, as well as their steep are very pointed, बहुत pointed होता है. और ये वाला आप जो देख रहे हैं पिक्चर में, ये देखो राउंड है. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? They all are rounded, they are not so steepy, they are not so much pointed, okay. लेकिन mountain में क्या होता है? These are all steepy and they are very pointed, okay. They abnormally grow to a greater height, बहुत हाइट तक बढ़ता है. तो इसको कहते हैं माउंटेन, इसको कहते हैं हिल्स, और दूसरा वाला कहते हैं माउंटेन. जो माउंटेन क्या होता है, हाइट में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, वेयरएज ये जो हिल्स होता है तो हाइट में बहुत कम होता है थोड़ा सा, और उसका राउंड चोटी रहता है. चोटी कैसा रहता है? राउंड होता है, यानी कि ओवल शेप रहता है, यानी कि राउंड जैसे रहता है. वेयरएज जो ये होता है माउंटेन का बहुत पॉइंटेड रहता है. So that's all about the mountain and the hills, and about about the plateau areas as well as slopes and steep. Okay, you come across a lot of things. So this is what I wanted to share in my field trip, and you can discover this kind of thing. Okay, so bye. आगे वाला कैमरा तो नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है. So bye student.